Someone took a $50 screen protector and turned it into a red light therapy product. It might be one of the most genius e-com things that I've seen this year. So in today's video, we're going to be dissecting this store called Bodyguards that's selling this really brilliant product. So let's get started. First and foremost, these guys are crushing it. They're getting over 100,000 monthly visitors, and we can estimate from that anywhere from 500K a month all the way up to $1 million a month. And I know that may sound crazy if you don't have your own e-com store, but I do, and I've seen those numbers. I've done a single month of $1 million of sales, and it's been from under 200,000 sessions, which sounds crazy, but that's how it is sometimes with Meta. Meta has some of the highest quality traffic, and that's how these guys are getting traffic. They're driving over 270 different active ads right now as we speak to their Shopify store. Now, what is this? Okay, so like I said, we're going to dissect this entire thing, but first we do have to understand a little bit more about what this is. And I will tell you also how I found this, because it will shed some light on kind of like the truth of product research and the truth of winning products in e-com, because there's a lot of misconceptions out there due to the, I guess, viral nature of drop shipping and e-com. But basically what this is what I just said and what I said and what this sounds like. It's basically a privacy screen protector, which is a part of the $58 billion screen protector market. Absolutely insanely massive market because everybody has a phone. But what these guys have done that is so innovative and cool is they've figured out a way to make this screen protector shift the light that's coming off of your phone into red light therapy. And if you don't know, red light therapy is one of the hottest trends of the past few years, and it's expected to continue to grow exponentially based on the data here from ShoppyLab.ai. That's our community and platform. It's super cool, and I think this is a much better investment than whatever other courses out there or mentorships, because you do get courses in here and you do get access to our community. It's super cool. It's one of my missions to help more people launch cool businesses like this. But this is really amazing. They're charging $50. I love that price point for something like this. I think it's really high margin, but also it is, it makes sense, right? Red light therapy products tend to be extremely expensive. Red light therapy masks, for example, can be upwards of $500 to $1,000. Some are cheaper, some are not, but in this market, it's wellness seekers, so they're willing to spend more. Now, the branding is absolutely brilliant. I love this setup. I think this is the perfect example of a clean Shopify store that's likely high converting, but still has a really good, it has a good air of tech, premiumness, luxury, but then also direct response, right? Love your phone, love your skin. There's a problem. Boom, that's good copywriting right there. It's kind of driving you through. It shows you some of the features, but here, if you scroll down further, it gives you the value proposition. So here is what they're solving with this product. Your phone is an essential part of your life, but its blue light can take a toll on your skin. Studies have shown that prolonged screen exposure can accelerate aging and disrupt your sleep. Instead of passively accepting this damage, take control. It transforms harmful blue light into beneficial red light, making your phone a proactive part of your skincare routine. Again, I think this is brilliant. I think this is super genius. They have a really beautiful setup here of images and studio shots. I imagine some of these are renders, some of this is AI, but a lot of it is probably real. So these guys have been, spending a lot of time and money into this. Some people are not liking the product. That's natural with any new innovation. And of course, the science behind this is probably pretty shaky. I'm no scientist. I'm no wellness expert. I do know a decent amount about red light therapy, but not a lot, not a whole lot. My main brand is in the supplement space. So I do know a lot about our specific brand that we're growing. If you don't know me, my name's Ari. I run an agency primarily, and we've spent 9 figures in ads, but right now we're spending a little bit over $1 million a month on ads for a variety of big clients, some incredible brands out there. But really my main focus this year is actually our own brand. So we're using all these marketing resources, and with my partner, we're going really hard at building a monthly subscription brand. So I make these videos because I want to help more people launch their brands too and grow my platform. So we do have a platform in the future. I'd love to invest in the members of the platform, but right now it's just an affordable monthly subscription, as opposed to, having you spend $10,000 on a course that's not going to really teach you anything. I want to give you the frameworks We do have courses in here, and we do live calls, and we have all these awesome tools here that you can use, like what I just showed you. That's actually, I wanted to show you the explosiveness of this trend and like how it's supposed to continue to grow. But this is really the philosophy of product research. The way I found this product, believe it or not, is just scrolling on Instagram. So Instagram and TikTok are the two most powerful product research softwares. You literally only need those two, because when you're scrolling on social media, depending on how you're scrolling, right? If you're looking at a bunch of girls, then it's going to show you a bunch of girls. But if you're engaging with these innovative new products, you're going to get so many product ideas. And if you're constantly doing research like me, or, if you just follow my channel, then your brain is going to start kind of finding these patterns, right? You see a winning video on Instagram, and then you realize, wait, this is, it goes into this trend of red light therapy. And then, wait, that actually goes into a bigger market of screen protectors. Like, this is brilliant. And actually, interestingly enough, so this is another good lesson for those of you that are already brand owners. These guys are advertising through different wellness pages. So it's through influencers. This girl here, she is the one whom I was shown this product from. So she has this video, and that's what I saw. I commented red because I wanted to dive deeper into this, and then, now I'm making a video about it. But she just showcased the product, and then when you comment red, it sends you the link, which is a really brilliant funnel, actually, because it makes people engage with the video, so it gets the influencer more engagement. But then it also probably gets a really high conversion rate because they sent you the link directly from her page. So she DM'd me automatically using ManyChat. That's one of the ways that you can automate stuff like that. You can also use Smart Reply, but Smart Reply is a little bit different. It's more for customer service rather than just like these comment automations. But yeah, that's how I found it. And that's how these guys are advertising. So through meta ads, through wellness influencers, and likely, some other stuff. I'm actually curious on this girl's Amazon page. Amazon is really cool. I've been really thinking more and more about Amazon. So right now, for that brand that I mentioned that I'm working on with a partner, we're getting it on Amazon. We're building almost $1,000 a day of MRR right now, which is really amazing. So we need to get on Amazon ASAP. And these guys should get on Amazon too. I don't know if they are or not, but that's one of the things that I don't like about this niche, is that it's, of course, not like a recurring product, but nevertheless, it's still an incredible niche because people do replace their phone protectors. Maybe not like all the time, but probably every year. So these guys have a really, really, really great segment, right? They can sell privacy, and now they can sell the red light converter, and now they can sell the red light converter plus privacy. Now, when it comes to sourcing products like this, you can use Alibaba. I recommend using Teamdrop. So Teamdrop is who I source products with. They're my sourcing agent. And the reason I like them is because it's free. So even beginners can use them. They already have like a ton of products that they've sourced. They have all the latest products, a ton of really interesting new products as well. But you can also custom source. So talk to them on WhatsApp. That's what I do. And, typically you can just connect them to whatever Alibaba supplier you find as well. So you can mix and match these sourcing places, but I would recommend you keep it free, right? So use free platforms if you can, because e-commerce is not a cheap business unless you do it organically. But if you do, it's going to take a lot longer. I mean, even this brand, right, that has a brilliant product, they're not getting a ton of organic views. They're getting like 1,000 views here and there, which is decent. But the best way to grow your e-com business, or maybe not the best, but the fastest, and honestly, I do think the best, is through ads. And that's how all the biggest success stories in e-com have grown, is through meta ads. And these guys are no exception. So we've filtered here by active ads from the top to the bottom. We got the highest impressions at the top. Interestingly enough, they are advertising through two different pages. They're for the same brand, but for some reason, they're running two different pages. That's not uncommon these days. I mean, if we look this up right here, so if we just look it up like this on the Facebook ads library, this is a free resource that anybody can use. Meta is legally required to show you all the ads that a brand is running. You can see they're running ads through different people's pages. So through podcast pages, through influencer pages, through two different pages for their brand. And even some other random pages here, but mostly from their brand page. Now, I do want to see their top video here. So this is their top ad, and it's only 5 seconds long. transform the harmful blue light from your phone. Super simple, like right straight to the point, into beneficial red. Transforms the harmful blue light from your phone into beneficial red. So that's all it is. It's just a loop. That's all it is, right? And then people are like, whoa, what the heck? And then they're going into the page. So it's actually, like, that's a really simple video. You could probably generate something like that with AI these days. Not saying that they did. They probably didn't. It seems like these guys have invested a lot of money into this brand. But yeah, that's what's cool about today's day and age, is that with AI, you can really do so much. So with a very lean team, you can build an incredible business. And I like e-commerce right now a lot. I consider myself an investor as well. I've invested in a few different products such as Smart Reply. That's why I talk about it a lot too. And even Shopee Lab, the platform, it was an investment initially. And what I love about e-commerce is that, unlike software, right, there's not really, like, AI is not going to automate out physical products. So I think there's just such a bright future for the e-commerce market, because every new AI innovation really just helps us out a lot, right? It just allows us to reduce operating expenses and potentially spend more on advertising, or spend more on whatever you want. But advertising is a good one to spend it on, especially with Meta, because their machine learning algorithms are getting better and better and better. Sure, some people are saying it's getting more and more expensive, and that's true. But at the same time, there's more tools that allow you, like I said, to cut costs elsewhere. And you can also, make more content now because of AI. So that's a good way to mitigate those high costs and the rising costs. And also, you can target multiple markets. There's so many things. It's hard to put it all in one video. Hopefully this inspired you in some way. I'm always just trying to give you like really cool nuggets within these videos. So hopefully you enjoyed this one. Subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.